Okay, now let's go to our scripts folder and then item scripts, and let's create a new C# script, and let's now name it power item script. All right, then what we need to do right now is that we need to assign a particle system to our power item, so we can see the particle system growing from the brain. So let's select our power item and let's assign a particle system. All right, okay, now we see the particle system uh, right here. So let's go to the settings in the inspector and let's say, okay, the duration is going to be 1. Looping, yeah. Program start delay. In the start lifetime, we're gonna assign 1, and the start speed 1 2. All right, then let's see a start size. Let's make us, oh, this is not what I want. In the start size, we want to make the particle smaller, so let's say 0.5. All right, and then here in the gravity modifier, let's say, okay, minus 0.1. Okay, so you can see now our particles going uh, upwards. Okay, and then in the simulation space, let's say world. Okay, great, perfect. Let me check. Okay, now let's see. Scale lockup, plane awake. Yes, we want this plane awake. Rigid body. Okay. Now, let's expand our shape tab, and now we have the missions with a cone, so we need to change that to box 1. Okay, so great. And then emit from volume texture, we haven't create the texture yet, so okay, all of this is good. Now let's create the material. Let's go to our material folder and let's create a new material. Where are you? Material, and let's name it as power mat. Okay, now let's go to our inspector, and in the shader type we need to assign our particle. So where are your particles? It's going to be additive. Okay, great. And then for the texture, let's assign the default particle. Okay, great. Let's see, select the power item. Okay, and now we right now we have the new material. So in shape we need to assign the new texture. Where is our power mat? Where is our power mat? Okay, let's see. I can assign it. Oh, sorry. I tried to assign the material on the texture, and that's not what I want to do. So I need to go to our renderer, and here we have our material. So here in material, we can find our power mat. Where are you, power mat? Here we have this. So here we have our power mat. Now I want these particles to be blue, so here I have the settings for our power mat. Let's expand it, and on tint color we can change the color like this. So great, now my particles are blue. And now uh, we need the item to have the particles, but when our player gets the item, I want the particles to go into our player for a, I don't know, 5 seconds. So let's take the particle system right here, and let's copy component, and let's select our player, and anywhere we just paste component as new. So we can see the right now our player and the power item has the particle system. So we have made the particle system setup. Now in the next lesson we're going to program all the function for our power item. So I'll see you in the next lesson.